Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Summary channel. In this video, I'll walk you through all the important specs you need to know about the new flagship of Xiaomi, the Mi 11 Ultra. For your information, the Mi 11 Ultra was announced on the 29th of March 2021. Okay, let's take a look at a short video of the Mi 11 Ultra. Well, the Xiaomi 11 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 888 and it is equipped with Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6 and especially the 5G technology. The screen of this device is the AMOLED 1 billion colors with 120Hz and HDR10+, and the screen brightness is from 900 to 1700 nits. The screen size of this device is 6.81 inch with 91.4% screen to body ratio, with the resolution 1440 by 3200 pixels with 515 ppi density, which is really bright even when you're using it directly under the sunlight, so no worry. This flagship is equipped with IP68 technology, which is the dust and water resistant, which it can resistant to the water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This device comes with two different colors, the ceramic black and the ceramic white. Moving on, next is the cameras. There are three different cameras equipped at the back of this device. As you can see, the first camera is the main camera, which is 50 megapixels, and this camera is the second generation as claimed by the Xiaomi. And this camera is equipped with f2.2 with 24mm wide. The second camera is 48 megapixels with f4.1 with 120mm. This is the periscope telephoto, which has 120 digital zoom. Okay, now let's take a look how crazy the zoom is, all the way down to 120. As you can see, this is crazy, this is phenomenal. The last one is the ultra wide camera, which is also equipped with 48 megapixels with f2.2. This one is 12mm. And the three cameras here have the capability to film up to 8K at 24 frames per second. And you can download to 4K and 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second, which is really great for slow motion video. It is also interesting to see a comparison of the Mi 11 Ultra camera with one of the Sony digital camera, the Sony RX100M7, and the result is unbelievable. As you can see the result here, so the left is shot on the Sony and the right image is shot on the Mi 11 Ultra, and the image quality is completely different. As you can see, the first one is a bit dark and the second one shot on Mi 11 is brighter, and when you zoom in you can see that the quality of the image remain, and also the shadow and the brightness of the second image is much better. Another one is here, so the left is shot on Sony and the right is shot on Mi 11. So as you can see over here, the one shot on the Sony is overexposed, while on Mi 11 the photo remains almost perfect, and this two shot was shot at night. During the live event, they actually also compare the two cameras' capability as well. So as you can see, they do it live so that the audience can see how amazing it is, because it's not a prepared shot. They're going to shoot that photo next to the man holding the two cameras. So as you can see, so they just turn off the light, so everything is very dark. This is the Mi 11 Ultra. They capture one shot, and then the Sony was used to capture the same shot, the same position, and then they compare which one is better. As you can see, the result from Xiaomi 11 Ultra is crazy. You can even zoom up to the small image, and the left pictures captured on M7 is quite dark. Next to the camera, there is a 1.1 inch AMOLED display. is an on always display used for showing notifications and rear camera selfie preview. That's phenomenon. This means that you can take selfie picture from a full capacity of the camera from this device, resulting in sharper and brighter images. Regarding the front-facing camera, it is equipped with 20 megapixels with f2.2 with 27mm wide. However, it is highly recommended that you use the rear cameras to capture the selfie photos, because you actually have the 1.1-inch AMOLED display, which can help you to take a great selfie with 50 or 48 megapixels. Regarding the speaker, it is equipped with stereo loudspeaker tuned by Harman Kardon. However, there is no 3.5mm jack port, so you have to use the wireless headset. And this device is still equipped with infrared port, which you can use to remote anything in your house like TV, projector, DVD player, air conditioner, and so on and so forth. And also NFC is equipped on this device for e-payment. USB Type-C 2.0, which is the on-the-go plug and charge. Last but not least, this device is also equipped with the fingerprint scanner on the side of the phone, so that you can unlock your phone easily. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery, and it is equipped with fast charger with 67 watt, and it is claimed to fully charge up to 100% within 36 minutes. And the price of this device is approximately $913 or $20, but the price is vary depending on your location. Okay, now it comes to an end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you would love to see more video like this in the future. Thanks.